having different views of the software quality. So these are the key stakeholders in Azure. In this slide, we will see different views of the quality. The transcendental view says that the quality cannot be viewed by some document. It is just a matter of the experience. So the attributes are which can be defined by the quality. They are from, you can say, they come from the experience. The value-based concept or the view of the quality explains that we say the quality product if it is valued by the marketplace. That in other words, you can say that what is the worth of your product in the marketplace. So on the basis of that, we say that some product is a quality product. Next is the user view of the product, both the internal and the external users. I already have explained about the users and types of the users and the user's view. The manufacturer view is about the product quality and the process quality, that are the transformation processes which are included in transformation the raw material into the finished goods, whatever you are producing. And as the organizations are originated on products or the services, that means they are producing some sort of the product or some sort of the service. The service quality is also a manufacturer view. Similarly, the organizational view or the quality culture, where quality is seen as everyone's responsibility within the organization. So manufacturer views the quality in these different dimensions. So here look at this slide. This is about a process. In the previous slide I talked about the process quality. So just simply we are trying to understand what is the process. By definition, a program in execution is called a process, but in the matter of the quality, we say that process is a procedure of the transformation in which the inputs are taken from one side and outputs are given on the other side in the way of your product or some service. And the quality process gives always an effective process and an efficient process. Next is about process-based quality activities. So this slide is just telling you how you can improve the quality by improving the processes of transformation. So in this diagram, you can see that first of all we define the process, and then on the basis of those processes we transform the resources into the finished goods. That means we develop the product and then we assess the products based upon different specifications and the requirements, and if it meets the requirements which are well defined already, or predefined requirements, then we standardize the process. And otherwise, if it says no, then we improve the process by using different kind of the models and the strategies or the guidelines of the software quality assurance, and then we again move back to the development of the product. Next is about the basic building blocks of the quality. You can see at the top of this diagram, this is managing of the quality. It has two dimensions to work. One is producer's perspective, and second is at the right side it is consumer perspective. So obviously producer's perspective is about the conformance to the specifications and the requirement, and the cost as well, and the efficiency of the product, and there are lots of other attributes which come under the umbrella of the consumer perspective. definitely is also having interaction with the production team and the procurements of the resources. At the other side, the consumers are also interested in cost-effective products and the quality characteristics. In the sense, they are best fit of their needs. At the same time, consumers are also interested in the different marketing strategies which are used by the distributors or some warehouses or some retailers. So we can see that we can work in two different dimensions to maintain the quality of software product. Next slide is about the internal and the external quality. This is just understanding about the explicit and the implicit quality. Commonly we say the explicit quality to the external quality as well. This is the quality as perceived by the stakeholders and the end users. So this, you can say that this can be derived from the relationship between the environment and the system. For example, the reliability of the product or the robustness, that means how much it is supporting to the user, its recoverability or its fault tolerance and its usability. The implicit quality of a product is the quality of the software, particularly of the source code that eventually delivers the external quality. So you can say that if we maintain the internal quality, it leads to the external quality of the product. It is a metaphor manufacturing lines derived immediately from the product or process description. For example, the efficiency and the testability of some product or some software module, that will be considered as an implicit quality of the software. This is